So now we will be starting with a new topic, that is atomic structure. So as from the name you can see, we will be dealing about the structure of the atom and its constituents particle. So first let us look upon what an atom consists of. Atom consists of three particles. These are electrons, protons and neutrons. There is the basic difference between these three particles is that of the mass and the charge that they possess. So the charge and mass. So charge on an electron is equals to minus times of 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulombs, and the mass is equal to 9.1 into 10 to the power of minus 31 kilograms. The charge on the proton is positive times of 1.602 into 10 to the power minus 19 coulombs, and the mass of this proton is 1.6726 into 10 to the power minus 27 kilograms. And on the neutron the charge is 0 and the mass is nearly equal to that of proton. So as you can see, the mass of electron is very less than the mass of proton and the mass of neutron. So whenever we talk about the mass of an atom, we talk about the mass of the proton and the neutrons. So there was an atomic theory that was given by Dalton and known as the Dalton's atomic theory. We will look onto the main features of this theory. So according to this theory, each element is composed of extremely small particles called atoms. So if this is an element X, it will be consisting of extremely small particles that were known as atoms. The second feature of this theory was atoms of a particular element are alike. So if we have X and Y, X has some atoms and Y has some atoms. So the atoms in X are identical. The atoms in Y are also identical, but the atoms of X and Y are not identical. This was given by Dalton. The third feature of this theory was atom of each element is an ultimate particle and it has a characteristic mass but no structure. So atom was known to be the ultimate particle, but later on we discovered electrons, protons and neutrons, so this was proved incorrect. So atoms was then assumed to be the ultimate particle and it had a particular mass but was structureless. The fourth postulate was that atom was indestructible, that was, it could neither be created nor be destroyed, as we see in the case of energy. The last postulate of this theory was atom of an element take part in the chemical reaction to form a molecule. For example, if we have X plus Y, which gives XY, so the atoms of X react with the atoms of Y or they combine with the atoms of Y to form this compound XY. So these were the main postulates that were given by the Dalton's atomic theory.